In this engaging lesson, students will learn about measuring volumes and capacity by designing and printing a chocolate mould. First, students will apply their understanding of measuring the capacity of vessels and converting between common units of measurement. They would then design moulds for making individual chocolates and calculate the capacity of these chocolate moulds. Explain to students that they'll be making their own personalised chocolates. Ask students to think about different ideas for chocolate shapes that could be used making blocks. They need to sketch at least 3 different ideas. Once they've completed their sketches, students can open the Blocker module and create their 3 different chocolate moulds. We've included a step-by-step video that you can watch with your students during class. Note that the block sizes in this module range from 1mm cubed to 5mm cubed, and the grid on the design plate is marked in 1mm squares. This will be important when students are calculating the capacity of their moulds. Students will build the mould design by creating a base and then adding sides to create the cavity that will hold the melted chocolate. Students must now choose one of their 3 designs to be 3D printed. They need to calculate the capacity of the cavity they've made in their design. How much chocolate will it hold? Ask students to show how they have made their calculations and to represent the capacity of their chocolate mould as millimetres cubed. Now it's time to print the students' designs. In small groups, give students a quantity of chocolate bars and explain how to melt the chocolate safely and hygienically. Students need to calculate how much chocolate they will need to fill their chocolate moulds. Explain that 1mm cubed equals 1 milliliter cubed. Students can use a measuring or medicine cup to measure out the exact amount of melted chocolate they need to fill their mould. Place the mould in the refrigerator to set the chocolate. The chocolates can be eaten straight away, or they can be sold at the school fair or a similar fundraising event. Students can also calculate how much to sell each chocolate for in order to make a profit. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Over 100 lesson plans can be found at makersempire.com.